Hi, this is Raj from MR Sportscars. I've got this absolutely stunning Porsche 911 Targa 4. It's a 991 Gen 1. It's registered in November 2014. It actually makes it a 2015 model year 991. And it's a Targa 4, so it's all-wheel drive. It's got the 3.4 litre flat 6, which sounds fantastic. Beautiful Porsche, instantly recognisable sound, non-turbocharged, so it's actually one of the purest forms of the modern Porsche in that sense. And who doesn't love the look of a Targa? And with the 991s, they actually brought back, rather than just having like a panoramic roof, they actually brought back the beautiful aluminium rollover bar with that beautiful rear glass section there, and the removable panel which actually automatically puts itself into that rear area just above the engine there. Now the engine is the 3.4, as I said, has 345 horsepower, 288 foot-pounds of torque. This car will do 60 in around 5 seconds, and it's got 175 mph top speed. It's a wide body, so all the four-wheel drive 991s were wide bodies, so it's got 2.2 centimetre wider rear wings, and you can really tell from looking from the back at how wide it is. Still within the same dimensions as the mirrors there, and then all the four-wheel drives also have this beautiful light bar which does light up. On a beautiful sunny day you can't actually see it, but that lights up at night, and it's a beautiful style flourish. Looks sensational from behind, and it's a real nod to the classic 911s, as is this Targa roof design. So this mechanism was obviously a nod to the historical 911 Targas, which had that solid aluminium bar to protect for rollover situations. I think it was the US regulations which dictated that an open top car at some stage had to have a solid rollover hoop. So you saw it with the BMWs as well, also having that similar sort of like rollover hoop, and this was Porsche's interpretation of it. So they had a removable center section here which could be put in the front boot, I think, or behind the rear seats, and this is the modern interpretation where it electrically folds, but it's a mohair fabric, in this case on this car black roof section, and it looks absolutely sensational when you do it, and I will do it on this video. It's finished in a special order Carrara White metallic. It were tri-coats, so basically it's a pearlescent in any other manufacturer's term. So it's Carrara White base, then it's got a pearlescent lacquer with lots of glitter in it, which you may be able to see on my video here. And then it's got a clear lacquer on top, so tri-coat, so 3 coats of paint, and it just looks absolutely sensational, really fresh. So as I said, it is a 2015 model year car. It's only covered 7,300 miles. We sold it to the last owner around 3.5 years ago with just over 3,000 miles. He's continued to look after it just as the previous 2 owners had, which is with Porsche main dealer servicing, Porsche MOTs every year. So it's been absolutely pampered, only driven really in the dry, so the underside is absolutely as new, as is the interior. There are no marks or scuffs or anything, and it still smells fresh as it would have done from the factory. Really coveted car. So it's, as well as having that special order paintwork, it's got the bi-xenon headlights, which are self-leveling. It's got daylight running lights, and it's got parking sensors front and rear, so it's got those little sensors, 8 in total, 4 at the front, 4 at the rear. And then it's got the folding mirrors with the welcome LEDs at the bottom of them. Those welcome LEDs only come in the folding mirror option. And then it's also got the beautiful 20-inch Carrera Classic wheels, and it's also equipped with the optional PASM. So on the non-S models it was optional to have PASM, so this sits 10mm lower than any non-S without PASM. But these wheels are absolutely stunning. They're the 20-inch Carrera Classic wheels, as I said, and they're absolutely unmarked, decent matching Pirelli P-Zero N-Zeros all round. It's got the optional tyre pressure monitoring as well, and discs and pads are also as new as you can see as well. And there's those satin black brake calipers with the Porsche writing on them, colour centre crest as well. Treads are fantastic on these. Tyres as well. So the wide bodies also have this plastic lower section that sort of has like a flare at the back as well. And you've got that lovely Targa inscription on the sides there. Rear wheels and tyres are also in great condition, as you can see. They're all matching, all the tyres and everything. And the width of the wheels, 8.5 inches wide at the front and 11 inches wide at the rear. Parking sensors, as I said, and it's got the stainless steel oval tailpipes on either side. This car sounds absolutely beautiful when you start it up as well. Let me actually do the roof. So you can do it with the key if you're in the UK, and then you've also got buttons inside as well. Actually, before I do that, I'll just show you that it does have a wind deflector as well. So this section here pops up when you put the roof down, and you can actually have it on 2 settings. So there's the low setting, and then if you're traveling a little bit faster and you want a little bit better wind deflection, you just pop it up, and it's got a little arrow here that denotes where to push it. So you set it up or down. But you can put the roof back up with it up as well. So let me do the roof. So you can press this button here, and then hopefully it will start doing its magic. So that rear section completely lifts up, and there's the roof section, which is stored, and then those hoops lift up, the bars come across, it lowers, and then it brings this rear section down. You can only do this stationary, you can't do it on the move. Then it will bring the windows up, but I'll just stop it there. So it will bring the windows up as well. And as you can see, that roof is in beautiful condition. We've retreated it, I cleaned it, and then re-waterproofed it as well, so it's in great condition. I'm going to start the car up now, and then I'll go through some of the more lovely options on the inside. As I said, very low mileage. So just 7,336 miles currently. Very, very low mileage. So it has got those, let me just open those windows. It has got those folding mirrors, which can be folding on lock. And then it's got the full extended black leather, so it's got a leather dash with black stitching. Same on the doors. This centre tunnel is all leather. This is leather as well, as are the seats and the rear seats too. So, and the roof lining is also in great condition, as you can see. Turn down these fans a bit. It's a hot day, 24.5 degrees according to this car. So it's got the optional multi-function steering wheel. It's got auto lights. And then it's got the 2-zone climate control system, so you can control both sides independently, or you can sync them together, have it on auto or manual depending on what you want. Very good air conditioning system in this, and heating system likewise. And then it's got the 7-speed PDK, which can work in auto, manual, or any time you can start using the paddles on the steering wheel there. Sport button as well, which makes the throttle more sensitive, makes the gear changes more aggressive, holds the gears for longer, changes quicker as well. And then the switchable suspension as well, so it's got the comfort mode, normal, and then when you press it short, the sport chassis is enabled with that button there. There's the controls for the roof. And then the phone, it's got digital radio, the optional digital radio. It has got the phone system as well. I haven't paired my phone to it, and not on this occasion. It's got the full UK and Europe mapping as well. You can retrofit CarPlay into this head unit. You don't have to change the head unit. That is possible as an aftermarket fix. But it has Bluetooth audio streaming as well when you pair your phone there. So you can have Spotify, Waze and everything played wirelessly through the system, even without that extra module. Cup holders are there, which fold out as well. And then it's got the USB for uploading songs to the hard drive, or charging your iPod, or having iPod connected to charging your phone and playing music off of it at the same time through the wired connection there. 12-volt socket there. There's another one down in the footwell on the passenger side, and then you've also got tracker fobs there and a 12-volt socket there. And as you can see, even in the rear, it's in absolutely fantastic condition. No one's been carting furniture or anything around in this car. I'll just show you the folder. which has all of our PDF in it. So there's the full spec of the car in terms of its sizing, that kind of thing. This is available as a PDF on our website. Then this full option list is there as well, and I think I've run through everything. It has got lovely white key, a white key there as well for the car. Yeah, I think I've covered everything in terms of equipment. And then we do a full diagnostics check as well, so we check for over revs. This car's only ever had 62 ignitions at range 1, which is just below the red line. The last time at 3,900 miles, literally 0.17 seconds its whole life, so very, very gently driven its whole life. The engine hours also corroborates the mileage, so the average speed is a reasonable figure, so this car hasn't been clocked as well. And then I'll run through the full history. So supplied November 2014 Porsche Solihull, serviced 2018 Porsche Solihull at 1,000 miles, and it was a major service. 2020 Wilmslow, 2020 warranty extension. 2021 Wilmslow did an inspection and MOT. 2021 Porsche Norwich did a major service with PDK oil. 2022 they did the MOT and they lubricated the Targa roof. 2023 they did the MOT, and then finally they also did the last minor service April 2024. So the next major service is due April 2026. So everything is up to date, and we've got invoices here as well, HPI checks, that kind of thing. So yeah, you get to see that it is as it should be. Let me show you the front boot. Well, I just love the look of this car. Roof up or roof down, I think it looks absolutely sensational. So there is the front boot. Got tyre gel on this side, set of tools on this side, including a locking wheel bolt, spanner, reversible screwdriver, headlight adjustment tool, and a towing eye. Warning triangle there. And then under this section, you've got a very decent start-stop battery and the tyre compressor. Let me just show you the tyre compressors under that section there. All the original stickers are on the panels, so it's never been in an accident or had panels replaced. Windscreen's in excellent condition. The paintwork is absolutely sensational. There's no stone chips or marks, scuffs, dents or anything. Headlights are in fantastic condition as well, as you can see, as they tend to craze. This car's been garage stored, so you haven't got the finishes of the headlights breaking down. And there's the rears as well. And then also, if you ever need to top up the oil, you have this panel here, which opens without the roof doing its magic. And then you've got the cooling fans there. So you've got the cooling fans and the coolant and the oil top up there as well. Targa 3.4 there. And as you can see, everything about this car is absolutely as new in terms of the condition, how it feels. And I really do love, this is the last era that was naturally aspirated. The Gen 2s of this car, 991 Gen 2, were a 3-litre twin turbo. This was the last era with the flat 6 normally aspirated engine. I'm just going to put the roof down, see it from a different perspective, doing its origami. Beautiful, beautiful condition, as you can see. And also newer cars have digital dials, so the 992 onwards. This is the last sort of era with naturally aspirated and also proper needles, and you can also change what you view here, so you can have lots of it's even got the tyre pressure monitoring, as I said, how much power it's sending to front versus rear. All of that stuff is available through the multifunction steering wheel. So this is a real collector's piece. If you're a fan of the Targas, this is really kind of a once in a lifetime opportunity to have one with such low mileage in as new condition. Totally coveted, serviced as it should have been. So yeah, an absolutely beautiful 911 Targa 4 991 Gen 1 2015 model year. If you are interested in this beautiful Porsche, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thanks for watching.